What if your decor could do more than just look pretty? Imagine a lamp that adjusts with your mood, a mirror that gives you the weather, or wall art that changes style in seconds. Welcome to the world where design meets smart tech. In this video, I'll show you smart decor hacks and DIY tech tips that can transform any home, whether you live in a small apartment or a big house. These ideas are practical, stylish, and budget-friendly. Definition: smart decor means using technology not just for convenience, but as a part of your home style. It blends DIY creativity with smart devices so that your home feels personal, modern, and efficient. Why importance? It matters because smart decor goes beyond gadgets. It helps you reduce clutter, maximize space, improve comfort, and add personality. Plus, it's a fun way to future-proof your home without a major renovation. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with smart lighting. DIY LED strips under cabinets, shelves, or behind TVs. 2. Add a smart mirror. Attach a display behind a decorative mirror frame for news, weather, or reminders. 3. Turn old frames into digital art displays with a cheap tablet. 4. Use smart plugs for hidden accent lamps to create instant mood lighting. 5. DIY a voice-activated coffee corner or vanity station with smart outlets and timers. Tools explained. You'll need LED light strips, a few smart bulbs, basic smart plugs, an inexpensive tablet or digital frame, and adhesive tools for setup. For the smart mirror, you'll need a two-way mirror panel and a Raspberry Pi or tablet. Workflow: pick one area like your living room, bedroom, or entryway. Begin with lighting since it's the fastest transformation. Move on to decor-focused pieces like mirrors and digital art. Finally, connect everything to your chosen smart home apps so you can manage it easily. Quick tips: stick with one ecosystem like Alexa, Google, or Apple for fewer glitches. Hide wires with cable covers or behind furniture. Set up pre-programmed scenes like relax mode or morning boost for one-touch decor control. Cost comparison: DIY LED strips and smart plugs cost around $20 to $40 each. A DIY smart mirror setup may run $150 to $300 depending on parts. Digital art displays can be done for under $100 if you repurpose an old tablet. Compare that to professional installations that can cost thousands, and the savings are huge. Smart decor hacks are all about creativity and tech working together. You don't need to spend a fortune or hire a pro, just start with one project and build from there. If you found these tips inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your dream smart home is only a few DIY steps away.